Hello students, welcome back. How to conduct SSC exams in May? Is it possible to conduct SSC exams next month? It's a $1 million question nowadays. There is no guarantee that lockdown ends on 7th May. Suppose if it ends by 7th May also, let's assume that exams start in second week, that's mid-May. Can you imagine the intensity of heat in mid-May? Mercury levels will be soaring very high at that time. Above all, COVID-19 effect will definitely be there in May also. Social distance must be maintained. Right now, every exam center has around 300 students. In order to maintain social distance, government has to half the number of the students and double the exam centers. Is it possible to arrange new centers under these circumstances? Number of invigilators, supervisors, supporting staff, everything has to be increased. Moreover, exam center should be in the radius of 3 km from the respective school. For students, transport facility has to be arranged. Parents will definitely accompany them. It's really a gigantic task for the governments. Another thing is 25% of the students are staying in hostels. That's another tough task. We have to reopen the hostels. Wardens, cooks, vegetables, milk. That's another huge task. If the government conducts the exams overcoming all these obstacles, paper valuation, how is it possible? Let's think practically. Really, students are in not only dilemma but also mental trauma. Adding fuel to fire, many junior colleges are forcing them to take admissions in plus one, plus two now only. Limited seats are there, reserve the seats, exam results no matter. They keep on telling like this. Really tough situation for the children. Students, don't lose confidence, don't be impatient. Utilize the lockdown period, learn a new skill, stay home and stay safe. Finally, let's think about alternative plans. We can add SCA1 and pre-final marks and take the average also. Anyhow, 25% internal marks are available in school records. Another alternative is exams should be conducted in the respective schools only. Students need not go anywhere. In this way, we can minimize the expenditure as well as physical strain. Before concluding, I would like to say one thing. If we declare all the students pass also, what is the harm? Last year, TS recorded around 95% pass percentage. This year, 100%. It makes no difference. It took place in history many years ago. Due to the unavoidable circumstances, it is compulsory for the governments to focus on the alternatives. Let's hope for the best. Students' career should not be in stake. That's my wish and anguish. Okay friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Meet you very soon. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.